on yourself and all that. So what are the changes you are seeing after doing this hackathon now? What is the mindset change you are seeing on yourself now?
So first of all, the most important thing is now I have confidence कि I can study the market, which I was not able to thought कि I will. That was not my approach. First of all, I was only looking at the recommendations.
Yeah.
Now I am looking the recommendation, but going into the screener.in and then taking decision.
Correct.
This
Correct.
is also changing approach, and
Changing approach.
and it will always help.
Yeah. So what you are thinking that what are the important points you will consider? Just whatever coming in your mind. I am not saying that it should be specific but what do you think that now if a stocks I am stating, then I want to go through this stuff first before I buy a stock,
तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपने जो बताया, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेक्टर सिलेक्शन करना है,
हाँ,
and then सेक्टर से अंदर एक दो तीन स्टॉक all put together, it should not be more than 15 to 20, and then prioritize कि 5 to 10% या 15% तक इस स्टॉक के अंदर जाना चाहिए, और फिर ऑल
नहीं 5% तक ही एक स्टॉक में 5 या 7%, 15% नहीं, 15-20% सेक्टर स्पेसिफिक,
50 to 20 सेक्टर परसेंट,
हाँ
एंड आपने वो काफी अच्छी तरह से पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट के लिए भी दिया है, एंड I just put it to 33, I have small cap, mid cap, and large cap. And then also you have made the goal, how to make the goal. So what is my goal and how much I have to invest, and what would be my expectation, 20% or 18% or 25%. So everything is very nicely structured with it. मैंने तो कल first time किया, then I was so happy that it is giving me the good direction कि अगर मुझे 10 साल में यहाँ तक जाना है तो मुझे कितना इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, क्या रेट पे करना चाहिए.
Yeah, that first session. Correct.